Welcome back, ladies. Excuse my setting today. I had a technical issue when I was trying to film, so I had to call my son to help me to just do some kind of things just to get this done. So excuse whatever you're seeing at the background at the moment. Welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to look expensive for less. You all know on this channel we're all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. So I'm starting with the first dress, which is the black dress. I love how this one is cut in the middle. I've been looking for this kind of dress because I have a particular way that I want to restyle it. Ladies, if you enjoyed this video, please be on the lookout and see how many ways I restyle this first outfit. It's not in this video, but it's going to be in the next one that is going to be coming out soon. Alright, so this first dress, you could wear it with a brooch or without the brooch. That's what I love about it. You can look expensive in this. Of course, the material is not that wow, very expensive look, but if you style it together and put them together in a real good way to look expensive. This is how I styled the first one. I hope you enjoy it. Moving on to the second one. This second one was the one I first saw when I wanted to purchase these dresses. I saw this, it looks really beautiful on the model. I love the fact that it's green because we're going into the holiday season and I wanted to find another way to style this one, so I said I'm just going to go ahead and purchase it. I love the mock neck that it has. It does look like turtleneck at the same time because it's a little bit wider and a little bit longer, so I'll call it a turtleneck. At the bottom, it's 2 layers. I just love that. It's really simple, but depending on how you want to style it, that will determine how it's going to elevate. This video is all about spend less and look expensive. So whatever accessories you decide to pair with this kind of outfit will determine the way it's going to look very expensive. I love the way it looks on me. I love the way it's fitted. It's thick enough to keep you warm during the winter time. If you wear this with knee-high boots, you'll be good to go. But I didn't want to go through all that because I can still style that for you during that season. Moving on to the third one. The third one, I love this flowery design at the front, which also is at the back of the dress. We also have it at the bottom. It's a long sleeve, of course. It's a bodycon, but this type of bodycon is the one that you can breathe in it. It's the one that stays where it's supposed to stay. There's no rolling up, there's no rolling down. I absolutely love it. It's very less expensive and it does look expensive at the same time depending on how you style it. First of all, I styled this with a white shoe. I absolutely love how this one turned out. Putting on the necklace because the neck feel like a deep square and v-neck at the same time. I don't know if I got that right. Laying up the necklace on my neck absolutely elevated the look. Then paired with a white shoe and white purse, it's absolutely beautiful. I love the way I styled this one. Then I decided to do something different. Since we are in fall already, I decided to style it in fallish way. Is there any English like that? I don't know. So I decided to style it like that and just put on my trench coat with my boots, with the purse that goes a little bit with the shoe that I'm wearing. Everything looks very fallish and very stylish. I love it. What do you think? And for the last one, which is just the top looks like it has these different colors going on. When you talk about looking expensive without spending too much, that's about me thinking about me styling clothes in so many ways. I like to buy outfit that I can be able to restyle in so many ways, that I can wear with something different at the bottom or at the top, depending on what type of depending if it's a skirt or a top. You got me? All right, so in this situation, I love this top. I love the sheer look on the sleeve. Actually, it looks like white. When I was purchasing it, the sleeve on it looks like white, but it's blue, light blue, which I don't really mind. Honestly speaking, I don't mind at all. And I love the colors that we have going on there, which will give you opportunity to style it with so many bottom, depending on which one of the top, the design at the top that you want to pick to go with your bottom. So the material is stretchy too. That's why I decided to pull it for you all to see. So the first way I style it with the burnt orange skirt, which is one of my favorite skirts for this fall season. I absolutely love that skirt, trust me. And I put it together, and this is the look that I got from the first look. Then, like I mentioned, you can get another style from this top. So I picked another color, which is like purple. I pair it with another with a skirt of my pleated flare skirt, and this is how this one turned out with that shoe. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. It's very girly, very stylish. It elevated the top. It makes the top look expensive, meanwhile it's not. Finally, I paired this top with a white pants. You know, white will go with everything regardless of what you're wearing. So I think I see a little bit of white in the top, not that prominent, but I said okay, I can wear white with this, and I absolutely love the way this one turned out too. It elevated the look, it make it more stylish, looking more fancy, looking more chic. What do you all think, ladies? Please do not forget to give me a like on this video. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you're just coming across this channel for the very first time, please do endeavor to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. Thank you all, ladies, so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.